Let me show you how to fix TikTok if it's not working on your iPhone. It could be an issue with your iPhone or it could be an issue with TikTok themselves. I'll show you how to find out either one and how to fix it. Now, the first thing you're going to do is close out of the TikTok app completely. After you've done that, let's head into the Settings app of your iPhone, scroll to the bottom, tap on Apps, and then scroll down until you find the TikTok app. From here, let's keep scrolling. There we go. Tap on TikTok. Make sure everything is turned on. For instance, if the camera or microphone are turned off, then you won't be able to record any photos or videos. Make sure it has full access to your photos, and everything on here is turned on, including notifications, contacts, all that. After you've done that, if it's still not working, let's hop out of here and open up a web browser. And we're just going to type in "is TikTok down?" After we've done that, let's go to Down Detector here and see if there's a huge spike in reported outages. If there is, most likely it's not working because of TikTok servers. You just need to wait till it's back up and running. However, let's say neither of these fix your issue. The next thing you can do is head back into the settings. Let's go back to the very beginning of your settings. From here, scroll down, tap on General, and then iPhone Storage. You're just going to find that TikTok app here. You can see it's taking up 1.6 gigabytes. We're going to offload this app, which does two things, and reinstall it. One is it clears all the cache and temporary files, but the second thing is it force updates it to the latest version, which oftentimes fixes bugs and glitches in the app itself.